In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can find the 2021 playback feature on Instagram. So they just released this feature, and if you were like me and you clicked on the Not Now button when the feature popped up on your homepage, then I'll show you how to get it. All you will need to do is find someone who has recently shared the 2021 playback story. So I'm going to go and search for an account which I know has the 2021 playback on their story. And it's this account right here. Shout out to Halfinity Tech on YouTube. And then I'm going to tap on their story and you'll see the 2021 sticker at the bottom. Now, if I go ahead and tap on that sticker, it's going to say view your 2021 playback. And then you can tap the blue view playback. And this is going to load up your own 2021 playback. Then when you're happy with everything, just tap on next. And it'll take you into the editor. So from this screen, it's going to show you all the slides that are going to be in your 2021 playback. And then you can tap on the next button and then you can share it to your story. So that's how you get the 2021 playback feature if you by accident tapped on Not Now. Just also make sure that your Instagram app is updated to the latest version before you try to do the new feature. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like on this and subscribe for more. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care.